Hi everyone, welcome to Block 6. And we're going to start Block 6 with a review, like we usually do, of the material in all the previous 5 blocks. So let's start with the sounds. You ready? Let's go. Ah. Did you hear how all these sound different? Let's do them one more time. It's very important to get the vowel sound right. Good job. Qua, v, x, y, d, g, j, z, m, s, t, p, f, l, w, s, l, f, z. Very good. And these 4 are part of a Fizzle Rule. It's called the Fizzle Rule. And I'll explain that in a little bit. But these 4 will be in that. Okay, let's go to reading some word families and words. You ready? Let's go. Up. Pup. Pug. Dug. Mug. Tug. Hug. Hum. Yum. Gum. Mum. Hut. Gut. Butt. Very good. Good reading. Let's go to some more. You ready? Bud. Dud. Mud. Muck. Luck. Like. Nick. Knack. Pack. Sack. Sick. Sink. Sock. Sock. Good job. Did you see both of those sound the same, but they're spelled different? Good work. Now we have some more. You ready? Sob. Rob. Mob. Job. Jab. Very good. Make sure you're getting that ending. Good job. Ham. Pam. Pim. Pill. Pill. Bill. Did you hear how these 2 sounded the same, even though there's 1 L and 2 L's? Nil. Nell. Tell. Sell. Very good. Good reading. Okay, here's our L, F, S, and Z, our Fizzle Rule. Whenever you see an L, an F, an S, or a Z, and it follows a short vowel, you're going to double it. And it's still going to make the same sound as 1, but we're going to put 2 there because that tells us this vowel makes the short vowel sound. The I, the short vowel sound. So we double it. So it's just these 4 letters are the ones that you will double for the short vowel. Okay, so let's practice. We have off. So let's make a few words with off. How about this one? How do you say that? Did you say buff? Good job. How about off? Nuff. Good job. And let's try one more. Off. Zuff. Good. Now we have ill. Let's try ill. Bill. Good job. How about ill. Zill. Very good. And let's try ill. Mill. And how about one more? ill, quill. Very good. Okay, we have our L. B-L, bell. D-L, del. P-L, pal. T-L, tell. Very good. How about us? Us. Buzz, buzz. Puzz, puzz. Nuzz, nuzz. Very good. All right, how about is? Is, bis. D is, dis. L is, lis. And one more. Z is, zis. Very good. Good reading. Okay, now we have some sight words to read for Block 6. And these sight words mostly are easy. This one's a little tricky, and this one. Okay, let's go. We'll sound them out and then read them together. You ready? W-ill, will. H-ill, hill. P-ill, bill. Remember, bill can be a person's name, and it can be like some money, or someone gives you a bill when you buy something and you have to pay for it. So bill can be a piece of paper, some money, or a person. Buzz, buzz. Fuzz, fuzz. Very good. Let's read these together. Will, hill, bill, buzz, and fuzz. Very good. How about this one? Is, miss, ass, pass, add, less, less, fuss. Very good. All these sound out. Let's read them together. Miss, pass, add, less, fuss. Very good. Now this whole column sounds out as well. Let's go. F-L, fell, T-L, tell, W-L, well, B-L, bell, P-Uff, puff. Okay, let's read them together. Fell, tell, well, bell, and puff. Very good. Good reading. Now these two, if we sound this out, we would say f-ul, fall. But we don't pronounce it fall. We pronounce it full. Like, I am so full after that turkey dinner. Full. So this one you'll just have to memorize too and put it on the sight word card. This one, if we sound it out, we'd say off, off. But we don't call this off. We call it off, off. And remember, if we cover that one and we only have these two, that was of. I have a piece of candy. But now when we have two F's there, it's going to be off, off. Turn the light off. So put all these words, sight words, on index cards and keep practicing them. These are going to help you be a great reader. Okay, now let's read some words made with our new double ending here. So you ready? Let's start. Well, pell, sell, tell, bell, quell. That was a hard one. Quell, will, bill, fill, hill, quill, Sill, still. Do you hear this one? Quill, quell. So you can hear that vowel sound. Yell. Very good. Good reading.